In today's video, you'll learn how becoming a trichologist in the UK can not only change your life but also positively impact the lives of others struggling with hair and scalp issues. Hair loss is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's not just about vanity. It can have a significant impact on a person's self-esteem, confidence, and overall quality of life. The truth is, hair loss is a complex issue that requires a holistic approach, and that's where trichologists come in. However, many people are unaware of the existence of trichology as a profession, let alone the life-changing impact it can have on those suffering from hair and scalp issues. A trichologist is a highly trained professional who specializes in the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hair and scalp disorders. To become a qualified trichologist, you'll need to undergo extensive training in trichology, which covers a wide range of topics, including anatomy, physiology, nutrition, and psychology. Welcome to Career Chronicles UK, where we explore the career opportunities in the UK. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on actionable tips and insights. The journey to becoming a qualified trichologist offers an exciting blend of science and practical expertise. The Institute of Trichologists' prestigious 2.5-year program remains the gold standard for entering this fascinating field. While there aren't rigid entry requirements, don't be fooled into thinking this is an easy path. The course demands dedication and a genuine passion for understanding the science of hair and scalp health. What makes this training particularly valuable is its comprehensive approach. You'll dive deep into fascinating subjects like dermatology, nutrition, and endocrinology, all while developing practical skills through hands-on experience. Building on your initial qualification, the path to professional recognition in trichology is both structured and rewarding. Upon successfully completing the Institute's comprehensive program, you'll earn the prestigious Associate Member status, 8, your first stepping stone in the professional trichology community. This advancement requires a minimum of 2 years hands-on professional practice, during which you'll build a robust client base and develop your clinical expertise. As of 2025, many trichologists are also pursuing specialized areas of focus, such as post-COVID hair loss recovery or advanced scalp microbiome analysis. Many practitioners use this period to develop specializations, whether in pediatric trichology, trichoscopy, or hair transplant consultation. This expertise not only enhances your professional standing but also opens doors to more diverse career opportunities. Here's an exciting alternative pathway that's gained significant recognition, especially since the digital learning boom of recent years. The Trichological Society's diploma offers a more flexible approach to entering the profession, perfectly suited for those balancing existing commitments or preferring a more self-paced learning style. The program, which can be completed within 3 years, has been recently enhanced with cutting-edge digital learning platforms and virtual consultation training. The course structure is thoughtfully designed to ensure comprehensive learning despite the distance format. You'll submit regular essays that challenge your understanding of complex trichological concepts, while practical clinical experience remains at the heart of the training. Here's something particularly interesting for healthcare professionals considering a transition into trichology. If you're already qualified in a medical field, you can fast-track your journey through accelerated learning pathways, specifically designed to build on your existing expertise. As of 2025, these shortened courses have been updated to focus on trichology-specific elements while acknowledging your previous medical training. While it's true that trichology remains unregulated, the landscape has shifted significantly. In today's competitive market, formal qualifications have become increasingly crucial for establishing credibility and attracting clients. An interesting stepping stone that many overlook is the NVQ in hairdressing and barbering, levels 1-3. This foundation provides valuable hands-on experience with different hair types and scalp conditions. The curriculum now includes enhanced trichology components, making it an excellent primer before specialized trichology training. Many successful trichologists report that this background gives them a unique advantage in understanding both the practical and theoretical aspects of hair care. Many practitioners now combine traditional trichology qualifications with complementary certifications in areas like nutrition, dermatology, or trichoscopy. This multidisciplinary approach has become increasingly valued by clients seeking comprehensive hair and scalp solutions. What makes this profession particularly fascinating is the detective work involved. When someone walks through your door with concerns, you're not just looking at their scalp, you're investigating their lifestyle, stress levels, dietary habits, and even their genetic predispositions. The physical examination has evolved significantly with technology. Beyond the traditional visual inspection and microscopic analysis, many practices now utilize high-definition trichoscopy cameras that can magnify up to 200 times, revealing intricate details about hair shaft structure and scalp condition. Diet and nutrition discussions have taken center stage in modern consultations. With growing evidence linking gut health to hair conditions, we now delve deeper into nutritional patterns. The latest research in 2024 emphasizes the importance of micronutrients and their impact on hair growth cycles, making detailed dietary analysis an essential part of the consultation. The art of treatment planning has become increasingly sophisticated, blending traditional remedies with cutting-edge solutions. While specialized topical treatments and targeted hair care products remain crucial, trichologists now also incorporate advanced therapeutic options like LED light therapy, scalp microbiome treatments, and personalized supplement protocols. The personal qualities needed for success in this field go far beyond technical knowledge. You need to be part scientist, part detective, and part counselor. Exceptional communication skills are absolutely essential. You'll be explaining complex conditions and treatments to clients from all walks of life. Modern trichologists use a combination of visual assessment, digital imaging, and analytical tools to build a complete picture of each case. This attention to detail often makes the difference between good and exceptional treatment outcomes. Many trichologists are now creating multifunctional spaces that serve as both treatment rooms and educational hubs for client workshops. Client-centric appointment times have become a crucial differentiator in the market, with many practitioners offering early morning, evening, or weekend slots to accommodate busy professionals. Starting your own practice isn't just about clinical expertise anymore, it's about creating a comprehensive business model that might include in-person services, online consultations, product lines, and educational content. What's particularly interesting about modern trichology businesses is their diverse revenue streams. Successful practitioners often develop multiple income channels, from traditional consultations to creating online courses, developing signature treatment protocols, or collaborating with haircare brands. What sets successful trichology educators apart is their ability to bridge the gap between scientific knowledge and practical application. Research roles have become increasingly sophisticated, combining traditional trichological knowledge with cutting-edge scientific developments in areas like biotechnology, microbiome science, and personalized medicine. Companies are now seeking researchers with expertise in areas like molecular biology, clinical trial management, and biotech innovation. The research environment particularly values those who can bridge the gap between laboratory findings and practical clinical applications. One of the most exciting aspects of modern trichology is its earning potential. Let's explore what you could achieve in this rewarding field. Starting consultation rates have increased significantly, with new practitioners now typically charging between £50–70 per session. Experienced practitioners in prime locations can command £95–150 per consultation, particularly in London and other major cities. The salary structure has evolved to reflect growing demand and specialization. Entry-level positions now start at £25,000–31,700 annually, while experienced practitioners can earn between £33,900–55,000. Senior specialists and clinic managers can command up to £60,500 annually. London weighting typically adds 20–25% to these figures, with some high-end clinics offering comprehensive benefits packages. These often include performance-based bonuses, commission on product sales, professional development funding, and healthcare packages. What's particularly interesting is how digital consultations have created new revenue streams. Virtual consultations now command between £40–75, with many practitioners offering online follow-up appointments and digital scalp analysis services. Some innovative trichologists have introduced subscription-based treatment monitoring services, providing ongoing support and guidance to their clients. For those eager to delve deeper into the world of trichology, two prestigious organizations stand at the forefront of the profession. The Institute of Trichologists remains the UK's oldest and most respected professional body. Beyond their renowned training programs, they now offer cutting-edge online resources, virtual networking events and access to the latest research databases. The Trichological Society has evolved into a dynamic hub for scientific advancement in the field. Their website now features interactive learning modules, research updates and collaborative opportunities with international hair science communities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and career opportunities. If you're ready to get started, check out the links in the description below for resources on trichologist training, industry news and career advice. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles UK and I'll see you in the next video.